choreographed by Uma Getty, and then this is actually the mini version.
Acha.
As you saw in the song, there's a huge cage.
Okay.
It's all of us girls and guys in the cage.
Interesting. One more question, ये आप बार-बार ये मैं सुन रहा हूँ, दो में ज़्यादा मज़ा है. ये ऐसा क्यों? Why is दो में ज़्यादा मज़ा है?
हमेशा ऐसा होता है, दो में ज़्यादा मज़ा है. But in Ragini MMS 2, you see Sunny Leone sexy, and then you also see Sunny Leone scary.
तो मतलब पहली बार मैं लाइफ में कहूँगा, डर के आगे जीत है, दादर के आगे सीट है, और सनी लियोनी सेक्सी है. Give it a big round of applause, please.
The thought was, see, that's what it is, right? You don't get scared seeing Sunny.
हाँ.
So this is the new Sunny.
तो
You see a sexy Sunny?
जी.
I will show you a scary Sunny as well.
इसी नया जॉनरा आपने बॉलीवुड को दिया, इट्स कॉल्ड हॉरिक्स.
हाँ.
ये सर आपको तोड़ के बताइए.
क्या मेरी लास्ट फिल्म 1920 में मैंने सिर्फ हॉरर किया था. अब हमने सोचा कि बालाजी में एकता ने मैंने हम सब ने कि हॉरर के साथ अगर सेक्स आ जाए तो हॉरर का मजा दुगना हो जाता है. तो हॉरिक्स, हॉरर और सेक्स, इट इज स्कैरी. My film is scary and it is sexy. So you got to see this film with your girlfriend and boyfriend, and I promise you, after you see the film, you won't know whether to run to your mother or to your girlfriend. I promise you.
When I see you say that, I really want to die. Tell me. हाँ?
ऐसे क्यों?
आप अगर ऐसे पूछेंगे तो मैं यहीं पे मर जाऊंगा.
Hi Sunny, that was great.
Thank you.
I'm sure people when you debuted with Jism, they thought that it's going to be really bold and sexy. But I think with Ragini, you've taken it to a different level. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is it going to be even more bolder? Because even when you see the promos on internet, you now have to type in your age. Now it's that sexy and bold, isn't it?
I believe you are correct. This surpasses anything that I've done here in Bollywood, and hopefully it's accepted and it's liked and it's enjoyed with an open mind and an open heart.
Is Baby Doll going to be your new favorite after Leila?
Of course, I can't wait to do a show and put both of them together so I can keep dancing to it.
अगर दहशत ना होती और पाने की चाहत ना होती तो ना खुदा होता ना इबादत होती. तो दहशत और चाहत का कितना कॉम्बिनेशन है ये.
क्यों सनी?
सनी और आपकी मूवी सनी ऑफ
बहुत
कोर्स
ही
चाहत
कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन है. दहशत मैं हूँ, चाहत ये है. आई एम फ्रॉम द हॉरर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. वही तो ना. सनी को कोई डरा नहीं है सनी से अब तक. तो कोशिश हमारी यही रही है कि ब्यूटी एक्चुअली स्केयर्स द मोस्ट. द ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट कहते हैं. तो ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट एक में अगर आ जाए तो कमाल हो जाता है. सो यू सी दिस ब्यूटी एज द बीस्ट इन माय फिल्म.
अपने आप को देख के डरी थी आप?
Yes, of course. As you saw in the promo, at the very end, I have a very scary avatar. So I would walk around like that on set. And every time I would see myself in the mirror, I would scare myself because I would forget what I look like. And then when I would watch the playbacks, of course, it was scary.
Have you saw the first one, Ragini MMS?
Yes, of course I have.
What's the difference between part 1 and part 2 for you?
There's a huge difference. The first part is something that looks like it seems real. It seems like somebody grabbed a handy cam and it's a real couple, and they're on their lovely weekend, and the boyfriend has a different reason why he's bringing his girlfriend there. And this one is a lot more commercial. There's a lot more backstory. There's a lot.
Thank you.
Sorry. There's a lot more going on in this that explains everything about Ragini MMS 1, which we'll find out in the movie.
If I may add to that, It's bigger, it's better, it's bolder. Yeah, there's a lot more sex, there's a lot more scares. It's scarier. The horror is 100 times scarier. It's much sexier. We have Sunny Leone in it. Obviously, you can't get more sexy than that. And the most important thing is a lot of glamour because of the songs. We have songs. We have a song with Honey Singh, Honey and Sunny together. We have Baby Doll with the Meat Brothers who have done brilliantly. And we have a romantic song as well. So we have 3 songs, which the first film didn't have any songs.
दो में ज्यादा मजा है, so we'll do it twice. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Ekta Kapoor.
मुझे बहुत सारे रूमर थे कि ड्यूरिंग द शूटिंग आपकी और सनी के बीच में बहुत सारी कैट फाइट था. इज इट ओके?
अभी करें एक बड़ा कैट फाइट.
इज इट इट्स
No,
रूमर
there
ही
it's not even a rumor, it's a joke. I mean, seriously, she's been a brilliant actor to work with. She's professional. You will see how good as an actor she's been in the film. And hello, I never enter a set to have a cat fight with someone. But you know, I really want to have a cat fight. Like, I really think it's a cool thing to do. I mean, what fun! I mean, if I get to box someone, literally.
one last fight. Second thing, you know, शादी की इफेक्ट में, शादी के साइड इफेक्ट में बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट है. रागिनी में इस पार्ट 2 में कितने इफेक्ट है?
जो शादी में होता है उसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स बड़े वेजिटेरियन होते हैं. वो टाइप के वेजिटेरियन साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स शादी में मिलेंगे आपको. और जो एक हॉरर फिल्म में होता है उस टाइप के साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स इसमें विच इज वेरी स्कैरी, स्लाइटली adult. It's for those adults who want to get scared. It's dark, it's dogma, it's delicious. Ragini's always stood as a date movie. I mean, we're not running away from it at all. So ये rumor आपने जो सोचा क्या side effects है in Ragini? सबसे बड़ा side effect Sunny Leone.
I love this song from the second I heard it. I know that you guys made it and it's, you know, men made the song, but I really think that this is a song for women. You go out, you get empowered, and you feel like a doll at the end of the night, all dressed up. I think this is going to be a song. It's like Beyonce and all of her like women power songs. Like these are songs like, you know, girls will sing.
So we're hoping for a super hit from this number, right?
I'm not hoping. I really think that this is a super hit song.
Thank you.
We want to tell you that when Ekta told us to make this song, and she said we want a song for Sunny Leone, I think the hook word baby doll came in like 30 seconds. We were like, Kumar Paji who wrote the song, he said, yaar wo baby ji lagti hai. So she kya then the song should be called Baby Doll.
Thank you.
So the song is totally dedicated to you.
Thank you so
From
much.
Ekta.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, people.
Thank you very much. This is your Ajay and your host, Sania. Have a great day.